So right now me up on the trophy station. Right here, so trophy station right here. And also later on a video so we're gonna go on. Yeah. So we're gonna watch some music right now. I hope you guys see this perfectly right now. The trout. Yeah. This is so beautiful, guys. Oh my god. From here, the best been known with it for the bike. Straight surface.
Yes, yes.